Hi guys, welcome to Budget with Lizzy. Today we are doing a cash stuffing of $411. This is part of my taxes and a little bit of my paycheck. We're not going to be stuffing any of my challenges today. We're just going to stuff the ones that are automatically stuffed and I use the fake bills for. We're going to do that, which is the $10,000 challenge, our emergency fund, all that good stuff that's already automatically deposited in my account every time I get paid. That's right? Yeah. And then we're going to stuff our sinking funds. So if you guys love to watch sinking funds, cash stuffing videos, all that good stuff, stay tuned. Here we go. So first, guys, I made some new envelopes because I was getting tired of my old ones since I had them for a while. And we're going to start with our first binder, which is our, what do you call that? Priority binder. And let's just give my pretty envelopes. So cute. Love butterflies, so that's why you see I use butterflies on most of the envelopes I made. So we're going to start with our priority binder, and the first thing we're going to stuff is a medical. I haven't done my labels yet, which I'm going to use my Cricut for, and I'm going to add the labels. So hopefully by next stuffing you'll see the labels. So the first thing, since I didn't do my labels yet, I have what I have the envelopes represent, and the first one is medical. We're going to add $20, and I couldn't get the cash breakdown exactly the way I wanted it, so you're gonna see some crazy bills going in. I'm gonna do 4 5s for my medical envelope, and it has 20, 5, 30, 35, 40, and we're adding 20. It's gonna make that 60. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So medical has 60. I use that for my co-pays, and I'm gonna add some singles next stuffing because my co-pay for my medications is $1, so I need some singles in here. Next, we're going to stuff dental. Dental is also getting 20. It has 50, so a 20 is gonna have 70. 50 is already in the bank. All the fake money that you see is from money that's already in the bank. Next one is taxes. Taxes has 20, 45, and we're adding 25 today. And we're gonna add a 10 and 3 5s. 1, 2, 3. And that's gonna make taxes 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. $70. And I made a boo-boo in the dental. I was supposed to add 4 5s here. So let's put that back. Oh, oops. That's 70. For next one is business expenses, which has 24, and we're adding 20. And that's getting 4 5s also. So we now have 20, 25, 30, 25, 40, 41, 40, 43, $44 in business expenses. Moving has 50. We're adding another 50. So we have 20, 40, 50. So now moving has 100. PO box has 20, and we're adding a 5 today, so to make it 25. My PO box is due next year, so I have some time to stuff it. So that's for my priority binder. For low priority, these envelopes I made has flowers in them. Let me put my sticky back so I can remember what's what. For this one, we have, first one is household, which has 20, and we're adding another 20. So household now has 40. This is just in case of emergency or something, whatever emergency it is. For YouTube, we have 10, we're adding 20. We're gonna add a 10 and 2 5s. That's 10, 20, 25, 30. YouTube has 30. Hopefully I get to 100 subbies so I can have a giveaway or whatever. BJ's has 16 and it's getting 14 today. So we're doing a 10 and 4 singles. A 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 in BJ's. Hopefully by June we have about $55 for our membership. Amazon Prime is getting 7. Still not sure if I'm gonna renew, but we'll see. $150 per year. 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, $29 for BJ's. Wait a minute, shouldn't it be... What else in BJ's got? 14? Did I take a 5 instead of... No, oh no, this is Amazon Prime. It got 7. 25, 25, 26, 27, 28, $29. For Christmas has 50. And we're adding 50 today. No, we're adding 30. So we have 50, 70, 80 in Christmas. For our personal binder, I'm trying to go through this fast because I don't want the video to be too long. So we have my son's birthday, the first one. And he has 20, and we're adding 20. Plus we're putting 5 to the side for a separate envelope. Because I know he's going to be asking me for $1 to buy a drink before he gets on the train when he leaves for work. So I usually leave $5 in an envelope for him. So my son's birthday now has 20, 30, 35, 40. 20, 35, 40. His birthday is in July, and hopefully we get to 100. For clothing, I changed the heat press envelope to clothing now. And we're going to add 15. It has 20, 30, 35. We're going to add 3 5s. And I don't have 3 5s. Why is that? Why? Why? Let's just take the 5 singles. So clothing is getting 15. That's 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, $50. The clothing now has 50. The next one is TJ Maxx shopping. The fake bills is a little annoying sometimes. For TJ Maxx and Home Goods shopping and stuff. No, I'm sorry, this is my tattoo next. It has 20, 30, 45, and we're adding 30 today. So we now have 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. 40, 50, 65, sorry. And my tattoo. TJ Maxx shopping has 10, and we're adding 20 today. 20, $30. In Amazon shopping, we're keeping the TJ Maxx as cash, but Amazon we're gonna keep in an account, so that's why we have a fake 10. So we have 10, and we're adding 20 today, also to Amazon shopping. Then my goddaughter's birthday, 20, 40, 53, and we're adding 20. So now we have 73. $50 is for her, and then the rest we're gonna save for my best friend's birthday. And then we have some extra envelopes. Whoop! There go my phone. And for this binder, still part of my personal. We're doing vacation. Vacation is getting 30. 20, 30, 20, 40, 50, $60 in vacation. I'm going to try to up this some more because it's going to be very expensive for me to travel to England. And I would love to go to Aruba, so we need to step up my vacation envelope. Next would be passport. The passport is getting 20. I need to start the renewal process so that I can have everything set. So we have $20 in a passport, and the rest, which would be my envelope where I save my extra money or my rollover every week. This one will be for fun, and then this we're gonna add the 5 singles for my son for when he comes and says, "Ma, do you got $1?" Now I could say, "Yes, I got $1," and I don't have to go into any other envelope to give him $1. And we're gonna do stuff, like I said, the 4 challenges that automatically saves, which are my 10,000 challenge, emergency fund, my little koala bear. Oh, and check out the little koala. No, it's not a koala bear. My little panda bears envelopes. Aren't they cute? Tell me they're not cute. So cute. And I made some extras. So the first one is for my sinking fund. And we started with 1, 2, 3. 3,000, 1, 2, 3, 4. 495. 3,495. And we're adding 50. Oops. We're adding 50 to that, which should make it. Oops. So we started at 3,495, and now we're at 3,545. 3,545. 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 45. That's for our sinking funds. These are automatically transferred as the same day I get paid, straight to the savings accounts. For the 10,000 challenge, that gets 200. Now we have 3,400. Fake bills. Then for our $20 challenge, that has 1, 2, 3, 07, and we're putting 20. We should make that. Is this right? I don't know if this is right. 1, 2, 3. Well, I think I already deposited the 20. So this does not go. It actually has 307 in the account. My phone is dying, but let me just double check the account. Capital One. And our $20 challenge has sinking funds. Wrong bank. Back. So that actually has 307. So in the account, as you can see, the account is 3507. So I had already updated this. For the $25 challenge, which is in American Express, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 75 plus 25 for this week. Would have been us to even 500. 3, 4, 50, 70, 90, 100. So our $25 challenge has 500 in there. And that's it for the stuffing. I just wanted to show you guys my new so I wanted to share my new, not new, I shared this in my first video and talked about my binder. And if I know I still had this, I wouldn't have bought a new wallet. But this is a super cute little binder. I don't know what was it celebrating or what was happening, but I got it at a thrift shop years ago, and my son abused it for a couple years, but it still looks so good. Like, so good. So I decided to switch up my wallet this month. I don't know how long I'll keep it going, but I love it so much. So I decided to make some new envelopes for it also, and laminate a sticker. Look at Mickey, he's so cute. And then I use some vellum across. Isn't that pretty? I love them so much. These are my new envelopes for my wallet. They're super cute. And as you can see, they're empty too, because I spent all my money for last week and this week pretty much. And then these are just, you know, my debit cards and stuff. It actually came with one of these pocket things also in the binder, which is super cool. Then I have my medical cards and stuff, and something for coupons. And these were the dividers that came with the binder at the time. So cute. Isn't that pretty? I hope you guys enjoyed the video anyway, and enjoyed my cash stuffing. We're gonna be stuffing. We're gonna concentrate on mostly challenges for the next stuffing, because I didn't do my 100 envelope challenge. So I'm gonna have to make up at least 2 envelopes and keep going over my other challenges. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I thank you guys for watching. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe to the channel and see how it goes. And that's it. See you next time. Bye.